morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning all. How are you? Fine. Hope all of you are fine. Yes, I saw you entering in the previous periods. All of you were entering. Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning. Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. I have given some homework to you last day.
Good morning, ma'am.
It was easy, no? Just to practice with the formula. It was just to practice with the formula, to find out the circumference and find out the area. That was it. Did you notice? Huh? I have sent in the
Yes.
WhatsApp. Okay. Okay. So that formulas should be thorough with you, and the way we formed it should be in your mind. Then only when questions come in between, like we saw, we want to find circumference, diameter is given. So easily you can use the other formula, pi d, isn't it? That we understood only because we derived the formula. Okay, like that, the formulas are very important. Now we shall proceed with the questions. I think yesterday's questions we finished. Day before yesterday, whatever is given is finished. Now, next question you write. Next one. Some are entering. Please wait. Okay, children. So, shall we start with our problems? What is the area of the circle? Again and again, I have to ask. Tanmay, how will you find the area of a circle? What is the formula? Find
Ma'am, pi r square
pi r square. Okay.
or pi
Gauri,
d.
Gauri Shankari, can you tell me the answer of how we can find the circumference of a circle? Can you speak? Any problem for audio? Circumference of a circle. What is that? Okay, I think she cannot. I'm not. It's not audible. Something she's speaking. Okay. Okay. Yes, Ayan. What is the formula for circumference of a circle? All of you switch on your videos. Why everything is switched off? Huh? Switch on your videos, children.
Yes, I is in the waiting room.
Some people is okay. Others switch on your videos. Some people they say there is a complaint for their video to switch on. Others switch on your video. Otherwise, I cannot speak to Blackboard and teach. I want to see your face. Okay, Ayan, can you tell me what is circumference of a circle? Without knowing? Why? No answer? Ayan?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me what is circumference of a circle? What is the formula for circumference of a circle?
Ma'am, I don't know.
Huh?
Ma'am, I don't know.
You don't know. Then you were there, no, in the class 2, 3, the previous days you were sitting. And what you were doing? We are moved far ahead. We are doing left and right. We are using the formula and finding out the answers. So you have not done the homework, I think, yesterday's.
I didn't see that.
You have not studied, no? Then even if you see, how will you answer it?
Sangeeta ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, last class I was absent.
Last class, we have done some problems related to
Okay, ma'am.
area and circumference. That's all. It is there in your text. If you see the video, it's clear.
Okay, ma'am.
It will be good. Ayan, so write the formula and study. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Write it 50 times and study. Otherwise, you are not going to study. Till now, you didn't study. Yes, Rudra Sunil, can you tell me what is the formula for circumference of a circle?
2 pi r.
2 pi r. What is the value of pi? Lakshmi? Lakshmi, what is the value of pi? Okay, she can't answer, I think. Is there any problem with audio? Okay. Angelia, what is the answer? Those who have switched off their videos, I'll be asking the questions. Okay, they have to answer.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, yes. What is the value of pi? Pi.
Ma'am, I will do.
Angelia, I asked Angelia to answer. What is the value of pi? Don't show the answers. Tell me the answer. Hmm? What is this? So you are not attending the classes? Is she online?
Yes.
Yes, only name is there.
Ma'am, I will.
Breakfast is over or not? Or you went for breakfast? Name will be there. Photo, video is not there, only name is there. So how can I believe whether you have gone?
Ma'am, my video is off because I have a net issue.
Okay, then you can speak out. No, you don't
Yes,
know.
ma'am.
Anything, any answer you give. What is the value of pi? Okay, if you don't know, write and study now itself. It's very important. Yes, who will say yes? Hessa, value of pi.
Ma'am, anyone, right?
Or you have to say both. What is the answer?
22 by 7 or 3.14.
22. 22 by 7 or 3.14. We say like that. Okay. Usually we say like that. That's why 3.14. Angelia, can you repeat? What is the value of pi?
22 by 7.
Or see, this is because you are not listening in the class. Otherwise,
Ma'am,
how
I can't hear it properly also.
you can't hear me?
Ma'am, I can hear you, but when others speak, I can't hear properly.
Then see, you have to study every day, daily portions. You can see the video, no? You have to take the video and daily you have to do the drilling. Okay. Otherwise, you will not come up with the class.
Ma'am, only 19 students.
Only 19 students, 26 are there. 26 are there here. Admitting. Okay. So children, it should be this formula and everything is very important in maths. In all the classes next year, after next year, 10th, wherever maths is there, this area, volume, everything is, the formulas are very important, and 7th standard, all the basics are there. So you have to study that very thoroughly. Okay. So Angelia, write and study. It is value of pi. Okay, question is, what is the value of pi? 22 by 7 or 3.14 is the answer. Okay. Yeah, homework, you all got the answer, no? It was easy. I'll discuss during the remedial class. Okay, simply for practicing with the formula. Practicing with the formula.
Everything I got in decimals.
Decimals, yeah, it is decimals. Angelia, then I have given homework also. Do that. After studying the formula, just go through the homework, do it. Then only the formula will be thorough with you. Okay. And next problem we are going to do. I think some of you are not attending all the classes. That is why this gap is coming. So next problem.
In that homework, can you say how to find the radius when circumference is given?
We have done one problem, no? First
I already
problem.
discussed that.
We have, what is it?
Yeah, ma'am, we have doubt.
What is that? Tell me.
Ma'am, to find the circumference.
Circumference is 2 pi r. Radius is given. How to find radius? We have done one similar problem, no? 2 pi r is given, one problem we have done. 2 pi r is equal to 154. 154. Then how to find radius? Radius is equal to, so 22 into 22 by 7 into radius is equal to 154. So what is radius? 154 into, we take reciprocal of it and place it here. Into this will become 1 by 2. Then calculate. We have done one problem of the same type. When circumference is given, how to calculate the area or how to calculate the radius. Do you remember? First problem was that after. So this is the method. Just transpose these numbers to this side. Then it will become reciprocals. Isn't it? You know that. Plus will become minus. Numerator will become denominator when you transpose. And find the value of it. Okay.
Ma'am, 24.5.
Which one you are telling? Homework you are speaking about?
No, this question.
This question. This question's answer, radius, we are getting 24.5. Correct. Yeah. Okay. This is the method. Okay. Try once more at home with the numbers which I have given. Okay. We'll pass on to the next problem. Next one is this. What is the number? What is the number? Just tell me any number you have put for the questions which we have written.
39.
39 centimeter.
Not that. I'm asking question number.
Oh, no, ma'am.
No. Okay. So write any number you can put. We can write 1 because today's first problem it is. Yeah. Right.
Ma'am, it's question number 8.
Yes. So anyway, I'm not going to put question numbers because it will be different. Okay. Just understand the model problems, and try to do all the problems in the text. Clear? I will not be doing all the problems for you. The problems are given for you to do. Okay. We'll do model problems so that you will understand the method how to do. Next question is this. Almost it is done. Okay. A circular flower bed is surrounded by a circular flower bed is surrounded by a path 4 meter wide. 4 meter wide. The diameter of the flower bed is 66 meter. What is the area of this path? What is the area of this path? A circular flower bed is surrounded by a path 4 meter wide. The diameter of this flower bed is 66 meter. What is the area of the path? So just draw and see what is it. Circular flower bed. So we can draw the circular flower bed here. There is a circular flower bed and it is surrounded by a path. So it is given circular flower bed and the diameter of the flower bed is also given. A circular flower bed is surrounded by a path 4 meter wide. Okay. The diameter of the flower bed is this. What is the area of this path? It is 4 meter wide. Okay. This is 4 meter wide. What is 4 meter wide? The path surrounding the circular flower bed. It is 4 meter wide. So we want to find the what? We have to find what is given. The diameter of the flower bed is 66. Diameter is 66. So what will be the radius, children? Radius of the flower bed?
33.
33 meter, isn't it? So radius of the flower bed is 33 meter. This one is 33 meter, right? So what is asked? The diameter of the flower bed is 66 meter. What is the area of this path? What will be the area of this path? Find out. Path, I'll shade it. Then I think you will get the idea. What is the area of the path? Area of the path. What will be the area of the path? Can you find out anything, any clue can you give? How to find out?
Subtract the area of the path from, subtract the circular bed.
So subtract the circle.
Subtract the area of the circle.
First what we have to find out? First what we have to find out?
Circular area.
The
Circles.
radius of the
The full area, isn't it? Area of the big circle.
yes,
Where the radius will be what? What will be the area of the big circle's area? What will be the
74
radius of the big circle?
radius.
Of the big circle?
37.
37.
37, very good.
37.
33 plus 4. isn't it?
4.
So you have to first find out the area of the bigger circle where radius is 33 plus 4. That is 37. So you have to find out area of bigger circle minus area of smaller circle. Smaller circle means it is flower bed. Area of small circle. So outer area of the full circle minus area of the small flower bed. You will get the area of the parts, isn't it? So area of the bigger circle is equal to how much? It is radius. Radius is
Square.
so first one pi r square, isn't it? Minus pi small r square. We'll keep it like
Ma'am, area of small circle means that surrounded area, right?
no, small circle is inside circle.
So bigger circle means
Bigger
out.
circle- No, together. That is this
Oh,
one.
okay, ma'am.
33 plus 4 will come the radius. So that is a
Okay,
bigger
ma'am.
circle. Okay. Then what is the inside is 33 meter area. So you write this. Now we can take pi outside. Pi into r square minus r square. This much did you understand? Pi we took outside, common factor. See, this is about this one. Okay. Like this, AB minus AC. What is the answer? We take out A, no, outside and write it B minus C. What property it is? We can do the numbers like this. What is the property?
Distributive property.
That is distributive property. So using that, we can do it like that. Okay. So the calculation will become little easier. So I'll rub that, otherwise it will be a confusion. Now,
Ma'am,
yes,
879.20 meter square.
800 and
79.20 meters.
almost. We'll get answer as 880 centimeter when you do it like this. Okay. When you do it like this, you can get, I'll tell you the method. Okay. There is an easy method to find out when such problems come. 22 into, what is r square, children? Bigger circles?
37 square.
37 square minus small r inner circle
33.
33 square.
33 square. Okay. Now, you know, it is a big calculation. 37 into 37 we have to do. Then subtract 33 into 33.
Ma'am, we don't need to write 22 by 7.
Yes, yes. Oh, sorry. 22 by 7. Yes. It is 22 by 7. Pi value. Very good. So, you are listening carefully. Good. 22 by 7 into 37 square minus 33 square. In this, there is one formula. we have this formula a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Difference between two squares is equal to sum of those numbers into difference of those numbers. Okay, no need to calculate all this. Otherwise we have to multiply 37 into 37 minus 33 into 33, isn't it? Instead of that, we can use this formula there. A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So what it will become, you see? So difference of the numbers into sum of the numbers is equal to the difference between their squares. That is the rule which we are using. Easily we will get the answer for that. See, 22
I'm
by
70
7. Yes.
into 4.
Yes, very good. 37 plus 33 is 70, isn't it?
Yes.
7 plus, should I write that step there? Otherwise you will not understand. I'll write that step also there.
Ma'am,
Okay.
ma'am, the answer is
Yes.
879.20
Okay, good.
meter square.
80. So you have multiplied with 3.14, no?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So here if you use 22 by 7, you see this 37 square. So we'll write it like this, 37 plus 33 into 37 minus 33. So we'll get the answer easily. 22 by 7 into, what is this? 70 into this one 4. So with 7 and 70, 10. Cut off. Then what is the answer then? 220 into 4. Isn't it? 220 into 4. Answer is 4 0 0 4 2 8 4 2 8. 880. It is area, so meter square.
Meter square.
Meter square.
Ma'am,
Ah,
why we took that 33 over there for that?
that is smaller circles radius. Small circles radius. 33. Which one you are asking? Which?
No, ma'am, for the calculation, we took 30 with 37.
For the that is outer circles radius minus inner circles radius. That is that.
Okay.
It is gone? No. See this? What is the inner circles radius? 33. What is the outer circles radius? 37. 33 plus 4. Isn't it? Okay.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am, I understood.
Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, when such problem come in higher class also, in another, that is when you go for 10th or 9th or 8th, this one idea is very good to find out. Sometimes that number will be matching with, see, 7 and 70, I can cancel easily, isn't it? If you take 3.14 or any other number, you have to sit and calculate. This rule should be in your mind, okay? Otherwise, don't go for this. You will get the answer easily when you do like this, okay? So what is that rule? That rule is this. Always we
Ma'am, if they are given that we should use 3.14, if we use 27 by 22 by 7 also no problem.
no
isn't it?
problem, but mostly they give because that number will be most suited for that. That's why. Sometimes when we do, it will be easy. 22 by 7. The rule which we used here is a square, take down. If you want a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. This is an identity. Difference between two squares is equal to sum of those numbers into difference of those numbers. If you want, you can check with other numbers also. It is an identity. It's a technique where you can find out the answer easily. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Sum of those numbers into difference between those numbers. Okay. So shall we move on to the next problem?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Next question. Next question is, how many times a wheel of, how many times, is it recording, children? Recording is going on, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, how many times a wheel of radius, a wheel of radius, how many times a wheel of radius 28 centimeter, 28 centimeter must rotate, 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 must rotate to go 352 meter. We can take 22 by 7. Take 22 by 7 as pi. Sorry, pi as 22 by 7. Okay. Pi as 22 by 7. Take pi is equal to 22 by 7.
Ma'am, 2 rounds.
Take pi is equal to 22 by 7. Okay, what did you...
Always we take
Ma'am,
22 by
2 rounds.
7. We won't take 3 by 4, 3.14.
Yes, you can take. You can
It is
take.
Ma'am, 2 rounds.
How many rotation? How many times?
2 rounds. 2. 2 rounds.
Only 2 rounds?
200.
200 times. How did you calculate? How did you calculate? Tell me.
This
Can you move that? Can you move that to options?
2 into 22 by 7 into 28 centimeter
Very good.
is equal
That
to
is, what did you find out there? Area or circumference?
circumference.
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 Okay. I'll show you why we took the circumference of the circle. Because it is a wheel, isn't it? So a wheel, you can resemble this bangle. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
See, this knowledge you need for finding some other problems also. That's why I'm explaining. Suppose this is a wheel. This is the road. No, it was given. Okay. Then I'm keeping it here. When it is rolled one time and reaching the same position again, it is covering some distance, isn't it?
Yes.
What is that distance equal to? It is the perimeter of the circle, right? Isn't it?
Yes.
The
Yes.
circumference of the circle. That means circumference of the circle. See, I'm starting with this red mark here. I'm starting with the red mark. I'm rolling it and again it is reaching the red mark down. It is covering some area. This much distance is moved. So that distance will be equal to what?
Circumference.
Circumference of the circle. Clear? So that is why we are finding out the circumference of the circle. So here, what is asked? How many times a wheel of radius 28 centimeter must rotate to go 352 meter? So what we have to find first? We have to find the circumference of the circle. So we will get how much area, how much meter is wiped out for one rotation.
176 centimeter.
Okay.
176 centimeter.
Yes. When we have to, then we have to find the number of rotation.
352 into 100 by 176.
Yes.
200.
Yes, that is the answer. So what is the answer you got? 200 times, isn't it? Okay. So let us do how many times a wheel of radius?
200.
200 is the correct answer. What is the radius given? Radius is 28. Now to circumference.
Ma'am, 200.
Yes.
Two.
Circumference is equal to 2 pi r. That is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into radius. That is 28, isn't it? 7 4 times in 28, you will get 22 into 8 into 22. What is 8 into 22? 8 2 is 16, 8 2 is 16, 176, isn't it? 176 centimeter, right? No, meter. Sorry, radius is centimeter.
Ma'am, centimeter.
You have to convert. There one mistake is there, children. There one mistake is there. You see, what is the mistake? Check. What is
Centimeter and meter.
centimeter and meter? You have to convert the centimeter into meter or meter into centimeter first. Radius is given 28 centimeter, isn't it? Radius is given 28 centimeter, and this one is given as meter, right? So how will you find the circle?
352 into 100.
So how many
Is-
meters we have to convert 352 to 100?
Into 100.
35200 centimeter it has to travel. Okay, it has to cover. Now what we are finding, it is circumference in centimeter, right? Okay, circumference is in centimeter, so we have to convert this also in centimeter. So we got circumference as 176 centimeter. Okay, we'll put it as centimeter because we have converted this one into centimeter. So let this be in centimeter. Now what we have to do, what is the question? How many times the wheel of radius 28 centimeter? So how many times, how will you find out? What is the total distance to be covered? It is this, that divided by
Three,
how much
divided by
area,
170.
how much area is swiped out for one rotation. How much area is swiped?
Ma'am, Anthony is saying to let him in.
Yeah, I have let him. So, how
170.
much area is swiped out for one rotation? It is 176 centimeter.
35,200 divided by
Yes,
170.
very good. So, number of times the wheel
Must rotate.
wheel should rotate. That is enough. Okay, wheel should rotate. It is understood because remaining is in the question. The number of times the wheel should rotate is equal to 350. What is it? 35,000
35,200
divided by 176. Okay, find out the answer.
200.
2 times. Okay, then 0, 0. So answer is 200 times. Good. So when such problem, all are variety problems, okay, when such problem come, you have to think. For one rotation, the area equal to circumference of the circle is swiped out. Okay, the distance equal to, not area, distance. Okay, not area, it is distance equal to the one rotation is swiped out for, that is will be equal to the circumference of the circle. Clear, children?
Yes,
Concept is
ma'am.
clear to you. Okay, now next one. What is the time? 11:20. Okay, I'll just give you the question.
Ma'am, don't rub. Don't rub.
Okay, okay. Write down. I'll take attendance. After
Ma'am,
that,
then
I'll
which number you wrote that which you cut that 252?
352. See, 176. You can divide 352 by 176. 176 into 2 is 352. Okay. Or cut short by 2. Take common factor and cancel. Two times. Check. 88 into 2. 2 8s are 16. 2 8s are 16, 70. So 2 times. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, okay. I'll clear the board. Okay, you want me to bring it down?
No, ma'am.
Okay, finished? Yes. Okay. Let's see. Okay, then. Next question I'll give you. Try to find out the answer.
Attendance.
Attendance. Yes. Attendance I'll take.
And these and all should we write in the notes?
Yes, yes. These problems are important. You have to write it in the note. I'll take attendance. Okay, I'll take the attendance.